You leave as leaders entrusted with authority, responsibility, and the confidence of the state. I also congratulate your parents, families, and your teachers. Behind every successful officer stands a family that has nurtured values of integrity, perseverance, and patriotism. This achievement belongs to them as much as it belongs to you. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Police Academy has a distinguished history of producing officers who have gone on to serve Pakistan with courage and distinction. During your training, you have been equipped not only with professional skills, but also with principles that define effective policing, discipline, integrity, impartiality, respect of law, and commitment to public service. You have studied criminal investigation, public order management, intelligence coordination, community engagement, and modern policing techniques. You've been trained to make difficult decisions under pressure. But beyond all the technical knowledge that you've acquired, the most important lesson is the authority vested in a police officer must always be exercised with wisdom, fairness, and compassion. The uniform you wear today is not merely a symbol of power, it is a symbol of public trust. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan continues to face a complex and evolving law and order environment. We confront challenges of terrorism, extremism, organized crime, narcotics trafficking, cybercrime, and threats to public peace. Criminal networks are becoming more sophisticated, and law enforcement agencies must remain one step ahead. In recent years, our police officers, along with our armed forces and other law enforcement agencies, have rendered immense sacrifices to safeguard our nation. Many brave officers have laid down their lives in the line of duty. This courage reminds us that peace and stability are not achieved without sacrifice. And on this day today, I would like to remember the Shuhada of Sindh Police, of which we have a recorded 2,613 Shuhada. This includes 50 Shuhadas in the year 2025 and 6 up till now in this year. Total of 23 DSPs have laid down their lives to protect the people of Sindh. As police leaders, you'll often be called upon to make decisions that affect lives, communities, and institutions. There will be moments when your courage will be tested, your patience challenged, and your integrity scrutinized. In those moments, remember that the true measure of leadership is not how much authority you possess, but how faithfully you serve the people. As Chief Minister of Sindh, I can personally attest to the vital role that policing plays in preserving social harmony and protecting economic progress. Sindh, particularly Karachi, is the economic engine of Pakistan. It is home of our largest port, our financial institutions, our industries, and millions of citizens who depend upon peace and security for their livelihoods. Maintaining law and order in such a dynamic and diverse province is a complex task. Over the years, Sindh has confronted terrorism, sectarian violence, dacoits in the riverine areas, street crime, organized criminal gangs, and emerging cyber threats. While significant progress has been made through coordinated efforts of the Sindh Police, the Sindh Rangers, intelligence agencies, and other stakeholders, challenges remain. Street crime continues to affect public confidence. The menace of narcotics threatens our youth. Organized criminal elements seek to exploit technology and social media. New forms of digital and financial crime require modern investigative capabilities. These realities demand a police force that is professional, technologically equipped, and people-centered. I am proud to say that Sindh Police has demonstrated remarkable courage and resilience in confronting these challenges. Thousands of officers and personnel have sacrificed their lives in the fight against terrorism and crime. Their legacy is one of bravery, professionalism, and unwavering commitment to duty. To the officers passing out today, I say this: wherever you are posted, whether in a major city or a rural district, remember that every citizen you serve looks to you as the face of the state. Treat people with dignity. Protect the weak. Stand firm against powerful when the law demands it. Never compromise your integrity. And never allow fear, pressure, or personal interest to influence your decisions. The public may forget many things, but they never forget a police officer who is fair, honest, and accessible. My young officers, today you are receiving ranks on your shoulders, but tomorrow you will carry responsibilities on your conscience. The future of policing will not be defined by force alone. It will be defined by trust. The most successful police officers are those who build confidence between the state and people. A community that trusts its police becomes the strongest partner in maintaining peace. As you embark upon your careers, remember that every generation is given an opportunity to leave Pakistan better than it found it. Your generation has been entrusted with protecting not only law and order, but also the hopes and aspirations of millions of Pakistanis. Carry yourself with honor. Lead with courage. Serve with humility. And uphold the Constitution and the rule of law without fear or favor. Let your conduct be such that your families remain proud of you, your institutions respected, and your nation remains secure. I have every confidence that the officers passing out today will rise to the challenges ahead and become leaders who will strengthen Pakistan's police service for generations to come. May Almighty Allah guide you, protect you, and grant you success in your noble mission of serving Pakistan. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.